In today's method, you will be able to start making a passive income that can go up to $100 per day and that you are doing absolutely nothing for. We will make an effort during the first few days to set up this method correctly. But once it takes off, you will start seeing the money is coming in. And believe me, just like it did to me, this method will be change your life. I don't really like bullshitting you guys like the most of the YouTubers that make money online videos. I'm doing the research for you, so go ahead and do your part, and I love to see you all make lot of money. Anyways, in this video I will show you full step-by-step tutorial on how to set up this amazing income stream. So make sure to pay attention to every second of the video because I will show you some hidden tips and tricks that you can use with this method to maximize your earnings. And this method is 100% free, and you will not need any credit card or online banking accounts to start making money online with this method. It also works worldwide, so you have actually no excuse of not making this work. Now let's get into the video. So step 1, we have to go to the website called Social Pilot, and that's at socialpilot.com. This is the most cost-effective marketing tool available in the internet. This is a social media management application that will automatically help you to grow and manage your social media accounts. Now remember, you do not need social media account for this. Do you need to put in money for this tool? No. Do you need any social media followings? No, you don't. Because I'm going to show you a simple method that will allow you to generate hundreds of dollars for free using this platform. And as you can see, you can link as many social media accounts as you like, and sending more account means getting more money. This platform is the dream for any social media manager. It provides in-depth analytics that can't be accessible otherwise. People can efficiently engage with their social inboxes, collaborate with things, and manage clients. But instead of paying a social media company to do that work, they can just use this platform and it will be 1,000 times cheaper. Believe me. So you can build a business around the Social Pilot. But it requires patience and hard work. And that's not what today's method is about. For the sake of today's video, we will not focus on that business model. Instead, we will be doing something else. And that is to visit socialpilot.com and go all the way to the bottom of the page, and just below the company area choose affiliate program, and I will show you how you can set up this affiliate network on autopilot with different websites where we can get the traffic to our affiliate link, and you can see that you will receive 30% commission as income on Social Pilot subscription sales. And if you're looking at their pricing plan, you can see that it can go up to $1,000 a year because this is $85 a month. But annual billing, which means they need to pay for the entire year at once, which is 12 months. So from $1,000 a year, you are making 30% of that, which is $300 just referring one single person. Because if they are investing $85 a month, they have clients paying them thousands of dollars each for a single social media account, where they can make a lot of money. You will be able to receive a lot of recommendation and referrals, and if you end up referring 100 people to this platform, that's an easy $3,000 every month. And you don't have to lift a finger, that's like $100 a day complete passively. You can close your laptop, turn off your computer, or put away your phone, and you are still able to get $100 every single day. So unlike other websites, on socialpilot.com you don't have to wait for approval or anything. You can simply take your affiliate link, which will be right here, and that's instantly you can start making money as fast as possible. So all you have to do is copy this affiliate link, and if someone clicks on it, if they sign up, you can possibly earn up to $300. So once you sign up, grab your referral link, and this is what your dashboard will look like. You can track your referral clicks and how much money you have made so far, which is obviously going to be the $0 because this is the brand new account that was created like 2 seconds ago. So you're thinking yourself, nobody will pay for this. Well, you are absolutely wrong because a lot of people are social media managers on the internet. Those people make thousands of dollars, even tens of $1,000 every single month if they have several clients. And what is $85 a month in expenses if it's going to make their workflow a lot more productive? Believe me, as long as you follow the steps in this video, you will get to the point where you can start to make money from this method. Now all you have to do is start driving traffic to your special affiliate links where you can earn $300 per person you refer. And I am about to show you how you can reach out to hundreds of thousands of target people who will benefit from Social Pilot and will continue to use it because they see it as an investment. And as they continue to use it, you will get recurrent commission. That means commissions are going to keep coming and keep coming every single month from the same people. All you have to do is refer people once and you will earn recurring commission every single month and every single year, and it will literally take you less than 15 minutes. If you only convince one person to sign up, you have already made $300. This is a better traffic source to employ than certain freelancing companies where people do their own social media management. And now you can give them a tool that will do all of the work for them, and it will allow them to have a lot more clientele. As you can see, these guys are literally charging hundreds of dollars for this one service. If this person is charging $50 per customer, they will literally jump on the opportunity to use Social Pilot because it's going to help them be more productive and have more customers. They can automate the entire process and have 100 clients a month or even more, and that's a easy extra $5,000 for them, and all they need to do is buy $85 subscription of Social Pilot. It's no brainer for these guys. You will not have to sell anything on these freelancing websites. Instead, you will simply recommend the sellers and freelancers to your referral link of socialpilot.com, and as a result to that, you can earn $300 for each person you refer. Now, some of the freelancing websites that you can use are quickinggigs.com, freelancer.com, peoplepower.com, fiverr.com. You currently have a lot of potential signups or people who can potentially sign up, and all you need to do is reach out to these freelancers and provide them with your affiliate link. You can tell them something like this tool will help you automate the entire process. That way you can manage to have the more customers and eventually make more money. I know that 24 hours a day is not enough, so let me know if you are down to try something new. Also make sure that you do not put your affiliate link there. Instead, just put your email address or Instagram at. You can also use websites like upwork.com. There are a lot of other websites like I said earlier, peoplepower.com, fiverr.com. As you can see, if you search for a social media manager here on Fiverr for example, you will find out a lot of people who are offering this service, and you can contact all of them and provide them with your referral link, and they will benefit from it. They will see as an investment, and these are people who actually have money to buy the service, not someone that doesn't have money, because we can see how many orders and reviews they have. They must have made thousands of dollars already this month, and they will be grateful for socialpilot.com. They will definitely know that you are affiliate. But a lot of people support others who try to make a honest income. And as a result of this, these freelancers no longer need to do work themselves, and that means they can get more customers and make more money. So you are assisting these freelancers, business owners and individuals and earning more money by working less. And that brings us to the end of today's video. I hope that you found value in today's video, and before we go, support us by subscribing, hitting the notification bell, also liking the video and leaving a comment down below.